Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to disable comments in YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different methods to disable comments. The first method is going to be on an individual video by video basis. The second method is going to show you how to mass update multiple videos at once. And then the third method is going to show you how to disable comments going forward for all future uploads that you have. And if you find this video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe, as it really helps motivate me to make more videos like this in the future. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So to disable comments, go ahead and make your way to your YouTube studio. And then on the left side, go ahead and click content. And then here, let's select the video that we want to disable comments on. So for this example, I'm going to disable comments on this video, how to change recording format in OBS. So I'm going to select details. And then just for clarity's sake, I'm going to go ahead and open up this video in YouTube and show you that comments are currently enabled because I could leave a comment. So going back to the video details page, scroll all the way to the bottom, show more, and then keep scrolling all the way to the bottom. And then here you can see comments and ratings. Go ahead and select disable comments and save. Now, if I go back to that video I just showed you and I refresh it, you'll now see that comments have been turned off. So comments have been disabled on this video. What if you want to do this on multiple videos and you don't want to go into every single video individually? You want to just do a mass update. So go back to your YouTube studio. Again, go back to content. And then this time, just select the box next to it. So I'm going to go ahead and select these 3 videos. And then I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to scroll down to comments. And then the same box or options appeared that was in the video details. And this time I'm just going to select disable comments and update videos. A warning is going to pop up saying that once you make this change, you can't go back. Obviously you can go back and re-enable comments. But what it's saying is once I select update videos, I have to wait for them to all be updated before I can make changes again. So just make sure that you're actually updating the videos you want to update. So I'm going to go ahead and select update videos. It's going to take a little while. It's only 3 videos, so it should be pretty quickly. Now, if you're updating like 100 videos, that's really where that warning is for, because you'd have to wait for that mass update to be completed if you made a mistake to go back in and correct it. So just make sure you're selecting the right videos that you want to update. I can switch off this page now. It'll be completed in probably about a minute. So to hold you from watching that, I'm going to go to the third method. So to make it so comments are disabled on all future uploads, to do that, go back to your YouTube studio, and then this time go to settings, go to community, go to defaults, and then you can select disable comments and save. So this will allow us so all future uploads do not have comments enabled, so that you don't have to go and manually have to disable comments. Unfortunately, you can't do this for existing videos. You do have to go and do the mass update on existing videos if you do want to disable comments that way. But if you are someone who doesn't want to have comments on, you can go into the settings and make it so your default is always to have comments turned off. And as you can see, that mass update is completed. I didn't need to be on the screen, but I can see it's completed because that white bar is no longer here. And if I were to go to this video right here, which we disabled, and I scroll down to the bottom, you can see that the comments are turned off. And again, for clarity's sake, I'm going to go to this video, which I know we did not touch. I'm going to go watch it on YouTube. And you can see that the comments are still enabled. And that was a quick video on how to disable comments in YouTube. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.